Hi. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to split PDF by text search using PDF.co and Make. We will use these multiple invoices for the source file. To begin, let's start by creating a new scenario. Next, search and select the PDF.co app and choose the Split a PDF module. Let's set up the Split a PDF configuration. In the Input File field, select the Import File from URL. In the URL field, enter your source file URL. In the Output File Name field, type in your desired output file name. In the Split By field, choose the text found. In the Search String field, type in the text invoice number. For the Exclude Pages, regex Search and Case Sensitive field, set to false. For the Language field, select your preferred language. After setting up, click the Run button to test the scenario. Great! The PDF.co successfully process our request and return temporary URLs. Copy the URLs and paste them to your browser to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully split by text search. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.